Okay, so here we are at the local park in our little village that we live in, and we are here with the the UMX Timber X. So we're thinking of giving it a little fly. I don't really know if it's big enough. I guess it is, if you can fly it indoors. So we're going to try and get it just up and off the ground and back down safely, probably without doing a circuit, because I've only had one flight since I've been back flying. So we'll take it in small steps. What do you want to say, mate?
To see it fly really high.
Really high? Oh, okay. Well, I'll have to see if it goes there. Well, I'm sure it will definitely go, but fingers crossed this doesn't end up in a bag. Okay, we had to abort those plans because we had accumulated an audience, and it's better to do it without one, I think. If I crash it, it'd be less embarrassing, and I don't want it to go near people. So we're going to try again now that they've gone. Okay, mate, this is Sam, our cameraman. Let's do it. We've done all our checks, and let's see what happens. I'm only going to fly it in a straight line and see what happens. You ready?
Yeah.
This is the maiden flight, and let's hope it will get off the ground. Okay, well, it did get off the ground, and it didn't nosedive into the ground either, so that is a success. We're going to go and get it again. I have got it on the safe mode activated, which I'm not really a fan of because it's a bit wallowy and don't really do what you want it to do when you want it to do it. So we'll have another little test go like that and see what happens thereafter. Okay, so we're going to have another flight attempt, exactly the same thing. I just want to check it's going to fly quite straight before I get it a little bit higher, and I think it might need a little bit of up trim, so we'll see what happens. I will do that now.
Okay.
Okay, all good?
Yeah.
No one about. Okay. Not sure what happened there. Okay, scrap that. Okay, what actually happened? The rudder wheel, the steering wheel at the back on the tail drag, had actually got a bit bent, so it was tracking it to the right quite substantially. So we're going to have another go right now. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, going to kill it now so it doesn't end up in a hedge. It ended up in a hedge.
He said it wouldn't go in the hedge, but it did. It's lucky it didn't go further.
Okay, doesn't appear to be any damage, does there?
Nope.
Okay, right, let's try again. Okay, so this is the third time I've taken safe off now. I did try and correct a little bit of it wallowing around in the air, but it didn't really seem to do much. So let's see what happens now that I've turned it off. All good?
Oh.
Yeah, terrible accident.
Oh.
Go and assess the damage. Okay, no damage, but I just don't think I'm giving it enough juice to start off with, so we'll give it another go, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
How much are you giving it?
Not a lot, because it's not tracking very straight. I need to do a little bit of trimming.
Try and get on the ground off the ground as fast as you can.
Okay, let's have another go, okay? Okay? Let's try again. Again, I've got safe off. And also I've trimmed the rudder a little bit because it was always trying to veer to the right a little bit. So let's have another go. Still doing it. It's really tracking to the left. Sorry, to the right. So it could be the wind. Let's check that out. Okay, it could be that I'm not going into wind anymore because the wind direction is changeable. Let's have a last go.
Very annoying. That sounded good.
Okay. Let's check the wind. Well, it is kind of going down there, so let's have another go. All good?
Yep.
Okay, it needs a bit of an up elevator.
No damage. Pretty cool. But
Okay. Do a quick test there. Check it's okay. Okay, good. Right, so another go.
a bit of different view this time.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Started going towards you. Let's start again. Grassy too long. Okay.
Let's go check it out. Any damage? Doesn't look so. Probably the best one though.
Okay. It's a bit blustery, I think, considering it's not been trimmed or anything. So we'll have. What do you reckon? Should we try again?
Yeah. Oh, bit big.
Right. Let's see what happens this time.
Hopefully it doesn't break.
Sorry?
Hopefully it doesn't break.
Yeah, hopefully. Give it a bit more juice.
Not the best landing.
Okay, well that wasn't meant to happen, but it did. And I'm sure it's all okay. Pretty robust little things.
The flying was pretty good.
Yeah, it was a bit better. We had a bit of flight time there, didn't we?
Yeah.
It's either there's either no wind or like it's very blustery. So I think we'll have another quick go and then call it a day.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's try again. I can't do it with you there, mate. You have to stand at the side and it can't go towards you, okay? Come here for a second, just here a bit. Hello, mate. That's it. Okay. You good?
Yeah.
Is it filming the right way up? Yeah. Okay. Right, let's have another quick go, shall we?
Right, I think could be landing now. Oh, that's pretty smooth. That was good.
Okay, so the good news is it does fly, and it doesn't handle the gusts as well as I thought it would, but that's probably my flying rather than the model. But I'm glad to say it's still in one piece. It has been in the air half a dozen times. What do you reckon, Sam?
It was pretty good, I think.
Yeah? It'd be nice on a really calm evening, I think, wouldn't it? But I was a bit scared trying it because it's quite a small park, this one, and I really haven't got my mojo back with flying, having just had one flight back after 10 years. I probably mentioned that. Anyway, we'll keep it going, and it does tend to drop down wind-wise in the evenings in our little park here, so we shall try it when it's dead still again. But a thumbs up from me. It seems quite good fun. All good, Sam?
Yeah.
Right, that'll do for today. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching Total RC. Do a subscribe.
Bye.